Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change time zone on Tradovate. Now once you're logged into your dashboard, what I want you to do is come at the top right and click on this icon. This will take you to your application settings. So once you go ahead and get to this page, I want you to come here at the top navigation bar and I want you to click on preferences. Now if I scroll down here, you'll actually see notification section. Make sure this ticker is toggled on. So this is your notification ticker preview, and here you'll see show time in. If I click on this drop down, we have different options. Right now it is set to Central Time US. You can change this to your local time as well. Just go ahead and click on that, and then you just go ahead and click on this X icon. It will be automatically saved. So that's all you have to do, and that is how to change time zone on Tradovate. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.